what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cleaning the window. As a professional window tinter, I cannot stress the cleaning, how much it's important. It's very, very important, because if you don't clean the panels, if you don't clean the glass, the work is going to show. So you're going to have lots of dust, and customers don't like that dust, and they probably will complain. And to avoid that, always make sure that you clean, and if you think it's clean, clean again. Over here, I'm going to show you 3-step cleaning process that always gets you results. Always follow this 3-step process of cleaning. So what you want to do is get this window down. This much is enough, and spray water. Soapy water is fine. What I do is I use kitchen towels or paper towels, and this is a scraper. You can get this, as I showed you in the tools video. This is a scraper, and we're going to be using this at 45 degrees angle. So don't use this at like that, straight on the glass. It has to be 45 degrees angle, so that means always on the sides. So you always start with the top. We use scraper because they are tiny dust particles. We use scraper first because there are tiny dust particles that has set on the glass that owner of the cars doesn't know, and they're very so tiny that it's missed by our eyes, and with the cloth or anything it misses, and then when you put the tint on, they look like tiny dots on the film, and that looks bad on our workmanship. So that's why we use scraper. So we scrape the entire film, entire glass of the car, making sure it's nice and clean. And you're gonna feel some bumps coming in. Get this window up. Now over here, there will be letters on all the windows, and they will be embossed. So make sure you scrub it nicely, because what happens is dust enters and settles on these letters. And when you tint, if you haven't cleaned this properly with the scraper, what's going to happen is it's going to look silvery around the letters, and that's not going to go away. They're always going to stay as it is. So always make sure you clean these letters nice and clean all the way to the bottom. Push this down, push all this dust down.